Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your AOL account password. To change the AOL account password, first you need to be logged into your account. But if you aren't logged into your account or don't know how to sign in, then we have a separate video for it whose link is in the description, and please make sure to check that video out. So let's begin the process. In the top right side of the screen, you will see an option with your name on it. You have to click on that option and AOL will take you to your personal information page. You have to click on the second option on the left of the screen, which is account security, and after clicking on it, AOL will take you to this page, and on the right side of the screen there is change password option. You just have to click on it and then you have to type in your new password and confirm that new password by typing it again. After typing in your new password, you have to click on continue and then your password will be successfully updated. If you do like our videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.